Just have 2 video clips.
Okay, so that's ready?
Yeah, it's fine. Big washer, little washer. You can stop the truck on. With this hand. So we're good on there, and now we just need to plug into the battery. This is ready to go?
Mm-hmm.
Why did it do that?
Go ahead and put it on there.
I don't want to.
Go ahead.
No, don't make me. Did you hear it?
Sure.
How do I make it not do that?
You could try turning off the charge controller.
Well, there's no lights on in there, so it's not.
Well, there's no lights on because you had it
Is there an off
disconnected
switch?
from the batteries. We don't have a disconnect on this now. We probably will put one on as part of this, but if I were you, I would just go ahead and put that thing on there.
This is me shaking my head no. Mark likes to do this to me. Makes me do something scary. Woo! I don't want to.
Let's do it quickly.
No, turn it off. Mark did it, and I love him.
To there, that could be bad.
Don't let metal bridge from there to there.
Don't cross the streams.
Don't cross the streams. It's dangerous.
What will happen?
The universe will implode.
Yeah, you ready?
So, turn it on. Boop.
Woo!
Oh.
Cool.
I see display.
Volts. Look at that.
What does it say?
25 point something. Yeah.
Woohoo!
Good. Now you ready?
Yep.
Plug this here.
We're plugging in this ancient fan that we think works.
Turn on ancient fan. Running on
Solar power, baby.
Cool.
Ow, ow, ow.
Awesome.
Like it's for real now. Like
yeah.
From battery out to like real life.
Ready?
See, we can sit out in anywhere and just have a fan.
Yeah.
Awesome. Gotta get the high five on the. We're such nerds. It's true.